Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. Welcome to the Crack SQL Interview in 50 question series. In this video series, we will be practicing 50 SQL questions across various topics. You can use the playlist Crack SQL Interview in 50 questions to follow the videos related to this series. For each video in the series, you can find the related code on my GitHub. Feel free to explore the code and provide any feedback in the comment section. Now let's dive into the 39th video of the series, and this is the third question related to the topic subqueries. Let's see the data and we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given three tables: movies, users, and movie rating. Let's create the table. Now in the movies table, we got movie ID as the unique identifier and we got the movie title. And the users table, we got the user ID as a unique identifier and we got the user's name. And the movie rating, the combination of movie ID and the user ID is going to be the unique identifier. So one user can rate one movie ID once, and that rating will be in the ratings column. And we have the created at date field when the rating got created. So out of this three table, the movie rating is kind of a transaction table. So you have for every user, they track multiple movie IDs and then they give the movie rating. So what they are asking is, they are asking to create two different data sets. One is you find the name of the user who has rated the most number of movies. So if you see this, user 1 got 4, user 1 got 3 and user 2 got 3. So both the users got 3 movies reviewed or rated. So one is Daniel and 3 is Maria. So if there are more than one users who rated most number of movies, in that case, you do the user name lexicographically and get the smallest one. That means take the ascending order of the name and get the first username. Same way, you get the highest average rating as of February 2024. So the second one is for every movie, we had find the average movie rating and find the highest average for the movie. If there are more than one movie with the highest average, then same way you do the movie title lexicographically and get the smallest one, this ascending order, and get the first one basically. So these are the two different data sets. So we are asked to do the two different data sets and you have to publish it. So how to do that? Basically, it's completely a different scenario, right? First one is user based. Second one is the rating based. So we can't do it in a single query. So how can we do that? Let's comment this out and go step by step. So first we can address the user table. So we have to find the user and how many movies they reviewed and who are the top users. Let's start with that. We say select from movie rating. So movie rating is where we got all the ratings part, and inner join users where you got the user information as u. Both are connected by user ID. U dot user ID equal to movie rating dot user ID, and then we are going to get the user name. So u dot name as results. So now if I run this, I will get all the users, right? Now I have to get the count of that. So instead of showing the count star as count, I have to say group by, right? Group by name. So I will have Daniel and Monica as top users with 3 movie reviews. So I want to get the top one based on the lexicographically order. So I will say group by this and then order by count star and we have to go with the descending order, right? Top and u dot name as ascending. Default is ascending. If I do this, I will get Daniel as first, Monica as second with the top users. I will say limit 1. I don't want to get the count. So I have to get the name of Daniel. Great. So this is the first data set. Now I keep this aside and then I'm going with the second data set, which is the movie review from rating, right? Movie rating or inner join movies, say M. So both the movie rating and movie are connected with movie ID equal to r dot movie ID. So here what we have to find? We have to find the highest average rating in February 2024. So what we have to do? We have to get the movie title, m dot title as results. From this combination, I have to get the average rating. So we say average of rating as RT. Here you're going to remove this, right? So m dot, sorry, rating is an R table, movie rating. So r dot rating, we are getting the average part of it. Since we use aggregation, say group by title, order by average of r dot rating. This goes descending order and then m dot title in ascending order. If I run this, I will get Joker 3.5, Frozen and Avengers. But there is one more filter in February 2024. So I have to do a row level filter. So I use where the rating table created at. So it's February, right? So created at between 2024 02 02, so 0201, so February 1st and 2024 02 28, right? Hopefully it's 28, not 29. I don't know, the leap year 29 might be. So if I run this, I filter out records which are outside February 1 to 29. Now I got Frozen 2, Joker and Avengers. So what are the conditions I have to use? The highest average rating on February, go with lexicographically. So title ascending order. So by default is ascending, so it's fine. So we have to get Daniel as the name and Frozen as this. So I say limit 1. So I'll get Frozen alone. Okay. Now if I combine this two, I will get my result. The first one is the user, the second one is the movie. So in MySQL, if I say union all, it'll just throw error. It's just a syntax error, not a data point. We just put this in a bracket and then we can run it. If I run this, limit 1. Okay. So what is the error? The select statement have a different number of columns. Okay, because I haven't removed the average part. Okay. So if I run this, I got Daniel and I got Frozen 2. So here what we did, we just did the user level as 1 and we did the movie rating as 1 and then we combined both. The only thing is we use the movie rating in both the sequels. Now let's see if we can do this date filter in different format. So basically, when you do the between, we have to know what is the start and end date, right? But we are asked for month wise, February 2024. So there's an easy way to filter the date format. So you can say where created at, we can just get only the year and month. So lift off, get till the 7 characters, and it should be 2024 02. So it should be 7 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from left, get only 7 characters, and you run it, you get the same answer. Same way, we can just put a select statement and you can see the difference. Okay. So I can just comment this out. I'm going to bring in only this select statement. I show the filters. So I can say lift off this, okay, and then I can do one more, year of created at as year, and then I can say month of created at as month. So I can use year and month, and there is one more. We say extract year underscore month from created at. So I can use these many options. So I can disable this and show you how all this work. Okay, so there is a syntax error. You can say extract year month. So what is the error? Check the manual part. Okay, title. So we have title as result. Left of this as, you can say, D. Year of created at should work. Month of created at extract. Let's see if extract is the problem. Okay, so extract is not working. extract, extract year month from created at. It should work. I don't know why, but yes. So we can use in two formats. We can just say left off this, or we can simply say year of created at and month of. So where year of created at is equal to 2024 and month of created is equal to 2. So even this filter will give you the same result. I don't know what's the problem with extract. Maybe other data. Okay, extract works. So we can disable all this and see what the extract brings in. So extract will bring 2024-02. So we can use that also as a filter. So instead of between, we can use multiple options here. Okay, so that is one. The second one is, instead of using the movie rating twice, connecting with the user table and movie table, let's try to do it in a single join. Okay, so select, you can use the movie rating and the user table, because we have to use from all the movie ratings, we get the user. But for the movie ID, we need to have a filter to between Feb 1st to Feb 29th, right? So we can go the left join with the movies table, M on. The join is going to be the same. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to get the movie rating table and join users table and movies table in one join. And then I'm going to get u dot name as the username, m dot title as the movie title, and then from ratings table, I got rating. So I got all the three required columns from this, and then the movie filter we need to add and left off created at, right? Created at comma 7 is equal to 2024-02. So we get this filter. So no star. So we just do inner join with the user table because there is no filter for the user. But in movie table, we need to have only the feb data. So better we do the left join. And when I run this, I will get all the users, all the rating for done by the user, and only for those movies which are within Feb 24, you get the values. All other things, it's going to be null. So I'm going to use this as a CTE table. Say all raw data, however you want to name it. First, I'm going to get the user information. I say select u dot name as results from all data, which is u, and then you can do the group by filter. So we do group by the user ID or username, order by count descending, and username limit 1. So this will give me the top user. All user from group by 1. So we have this all data, and we have u dot name as a result from this error inverse SQL version. Okay, we have u dot name. This was working fine, right? So okay, so this was working fine. So us, we have missed the us. Okay, we got a us missing in the syntax, so we got the error. So we got the from user table, user data set, we got the username. Now we have to go for the movie part. So movie, same way, we can just disable this for now, and then you can bring it back. For movie, you can use the same data set. You can say select the title, right? So title as results from all data where the title is not null. If it's null, that means it's outside February 2nd. And then we can use the group by condition as such before. So we should not give the, say yum, use alias name. So if I run this, it should bring me the movie. Okay, it shows unknown r dot rating. Okay, I got yum. So I got the Frozen 2. So I use the same data set. I use the movies and the user separately. And as such, how I did before, I can use the user union all, and then I cover up with brackets. I get the movie part. So now I got the user and the movie title. So here the advantage is I use the movie rating only once, but other things are almost the same. Okay, now we can try the Windows function. So let's go with the same flow. When I do a Windows function, I can go with the users table. I can start with the first part of it, get the user table. we go here, we just select username, and then we can just say rank over order by how many counts, right? So we say count star, or you can say r dot movie ID. So this is going to be descending, and u dot name as rank. So we have to use the group by because we are using count. So what happens is in Windows function, first it runs the username, get the count, and then it will rank based on the count descending and username. So if I run this, I get Daniel as the first one. I don't have to bring in the limit one, and I don't have to bring the order by also. So I simply say rank based on movie rating and users, and group by one because we are using count here. So Daniel is the first user. Monica will be the second. If you use the dense rank, and if you go with the row number, all should point to the first user. Okay. Now this second one is the same part. We comment out this and focus on the movie rating. So we go to the first SQL. However, we did for the movie rating, we group by one. You can copy till the group by because you don't need the order by. So we did this, and we do the rank function, rank over order by. So this is going to be the average of rating. So r dot rating should be the descending order, and then the title part as rank. So since we are using average, we need the group by. We can use one date filter, and we can use inner join, no problem. If I run it, I get frozen 2 as the first one. So now I have two data set. One is for the user. So I can say with user rating as the first CTE table, and then I go with the movie rating as the second data set. Now I will say select results from user rating where rank equal to 1 will give me the user part, and say union all select results from movie rating where rank equal to 1. So I have the user data set, I have the movie rating data set, and then I just combine both. Only filter is the rank equal to 1. So this will give me the user and the movie title. This is a bit cleaner, right? So we don't have much confusion. You can just play around with the condition easily. Only thing is you have to make sure the order by descending and the name. So initially what we did is we did the same set of movie rating and user table as a first data set, and the second one is movie rating and the movies as the second data set, and we filter mainly on the date. And then the key part is you have to order by the average descending and the title, and then take the first record. Second one is we use movie rating and did user and movies in one single table. Make sure it's a left join with the movies because we have a date filter for the movies. So once you have it, you get the user data directly, and for the movie data, you make sure the title is not null. If it's null, that means it's outside February. So we get that. The third one is you do the rank. So instead of group by and order by limit 1, we do the rank part of it, and then do the final union all. Only filter is the rank should be 1. So if you want to see all this code, then you go to the YouTube channel Grow with Data. In the playlist, This is for crack SQL interview in 50 questions. It's here. If you want to see the Tamil version of it, you have Tamil crack SQL interview 50 questions. If you go into the playlist and in the description part, you have the GitHub link. So this GitHub link will take you to the code base, and this one is the 39th video of the series. So you have the movies table, user table, and the movie rating table, and we have the 3 set of SQLs we used, and all the date filters we talked about, right? If you want to join the Grow with Data WhatsApp channel, you have the link here, and you can use this to join the WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.